So one of the reasons that we chose Notitia and have further engaged with Notitia is that they really aligned with our core values. It was a really important part of choosing a vendor for us, is making sure that we had someone that we could work really well with and understood what we were trying to do. They were really fantastic when it came to that. Fyna Foods is an Australian family-owned chocolate and confectionery company that's been around for over 70 years with some iconic brands such as WizFizz.
We got involved with Fyna Foods at the beginning of a digital transformation project that involved a review of their operating systems as well as a refinement of their reporting environment.
The digital transformation was to de-risk the business by moving our existing assets into the cloud. We engaged Notitia at this point in time from both a data perspective as a vendor. They assist us with our Qlik environment, as well as a CIO as a service to manage the quality assurance of the project.
We collectively identified a number of opportunities within the business to change the way data was utilised. This included getting employees to better understand how data could be used and also how they impacted the data that was being created.
As part of our engagement with Notitia in their role as CIO as a service, we built a strategy that helped govern the data and operational components of Fyna Foods to allow our data to drive operational performance.
The upshot of that was a better understanding of the operating environment as well as improved data that was then able to be used for reporting across the business. This enabled the business to really improve their focus on costs.
6 months following the digital transformation, we further engaged Notitia to complete a suite of operational dashboards designed to empower our staff members to make better informed decisions using data.
By focusing on education and enablement, we allowed the organisation to embrace the changes that the additional data and additional reporting would bring to them and really transform the way the organisation works with each other. Getting people on board and working together was a real challenge and needed somebody to take control of that in a way that brought people along the journey. Daniel did a great job of that. The outcome has been superb in terms of buy-in, empowerment and attitude towards both the business as well as the use of data and reporting across the business. We heard words to the effect that the reporting really makes sense, the reporting really adds value to their lives. They're starting to use the reports much more actively and rely on the reporting. That's a big change in the business.
Notitia really brought a pragmatic and value-added approach, and it allowed us to progress in a smooth, clear and concise way, whilst being challenged along the way to make sure that we were getting the correct outcome for the business. Notitia's expertise has allowed Fyna to have a structured approach to reporting while allowing us to engage in our core business, which is making chocolate and confectionery.